Okay. 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 Mark, tell me about what's in there in the white container.
Catfish.
Okay, and tell me about them. How did we get them and what else have we had in there?
We've had a turtle and a tadpole in there, and we got them from Huntsman Lake.
Yeah.
And should I tell you any more about it?
What else have we caught?
We've caught a frog.
Yeah.
In a pail.
Yeah.
And we bring them home in a pail.
Uh-huh.
And one time when we caught a frog, the frog jumped out.
Really? What kind of frog was he?
A bullfrog.
Oh, how big was he? Show me how big he was. About that big, huh? Boy, and how did you...
He was just about the size of the one we had before, but the one we had before was a little bigger.
Oh, Mark, let's see. This is July 17th, 1989. And Mark, can you tell me about that box that's set up in front of the house there? What's that all about, and why do you have it set up there?
Oh, we have lettuce under here.
Yeah.
And we go. There's a stick up here, and this rope is tied to the stick. And when we pull it, it happens to that. Then we run as fast as we can, and we sit on the box, and someone has to go get the net. Then we pick it up, quack, and slap it with the net, and then we pick it up, and the bunny's in the net, and then we put him in a cage.
Oh, you said a bunny. What about a bunny?
Oh, well...
Stand still, guys.
Pretend you don't know. Pretend you haven't ever seen him in here. Well, he's all brown, and he has black eyes, and a black nose.
Yeah.
And he's brown, and he has white on the tail.
Mm-hmm.
And he has brown in his ear, too.
Huh. And where have you seen him?
Oh, well, you can see here why the grass is short. Because he was nibbling, and he was around lots of times.
Really?
Yeah.
And you've seen him lots of times, huh?
Uh-huh.
So you hope to catch him with that box, huh?
Yeah.
Have you been able to catch him yet?
Nope.
Oh.
He has been under there. Because Molly, Jenny, has picked up a piece that was chewed on.
Uh-huh.
A piece of lettuce.
Oh.
That's how we know. There's a carrot. When he goes in that box, we'll pull that stick, and we'll go back and we'll catch him.
Really? And what would you do with a bunny, Jeffrey? Look at me.
With the net, and slap him with the net.
Yeah.
And pick him up, then put him in a cage.
You would, huh?
Right.
Oh. Okay, and Mark, how old are you now, and how old are you, Jeffrey?
I'm 3, and Mark's 5. I want to tell.
Okay.
I'm not 5 yet. I'm not 5. I'm 5 and a half.
5 and a half, huh?
Sure, I'm at 5 and quarters or something.
I see. Mark just saw the bunny. Daddy just saw the bunny, and now Mark's looking for him. Here, I'd like to get him on tape here. Which,
back in here. No, why don't you shake that bush?
Are you sure he's in there?
He's a sneaky.
I know. Well, I don't see him. There's nothing there. I'll hope to get closer and then catch him.
how was your day, Marcia?
Oh, it was pretty busy. Taking the boys out to our Dell's house. We went swimming at the pool. We had some tea and cake and chocolates there at our Dell's house.
Hmm.
And
Now they just got back from swimming lessons?
yes, that's why their hair looks a little wet. We just got back. And Mark's doing great at swimming. I saw him swim, kicking and using his arms for the crawl. The only only thing he needs to do